Hello, please like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Today I'll be showing you how to install VirtualBox. VirtualBox is this application over here where you can launch like operating systems on your computer, like virtually though obviously, so you're not actually having to change your whole system. But yeah, I'll be showing you how to install this. First thing you want to do is you want to go to a website called virtualbox.org. I'll leave a link for this in the description, or you can type it in now. Pause the video right here if you want to copy it, I guess. And to download it, all you have to do is go to like the download page. You go down a bit and you'll see binaries. This is for the older version here, but what you want is a newer version, so you look for the packages like this one's here. This is the latest version. You click on Windows hosts, you wait for it, and then it should start downloading. I already have it, so I'm not gonna install it. After that, once you've downloaded it, you go to your downloads obviously, and then you click on it. That was the one I cancelled here, and then this is the one I installed last time. You click on it, you should wait for it to load. It'll say installing. You'll get this come up. Click next, and it's gonna, for me it's gonna say this because I already have it, but just keep clicking yes along the whole way. It should be fine. Also, when something's like pops up, click yes. If it's Oracle, click yes. It's just making sure that you agree with the terms and conditions. It's fine. And if you really want to, you can read through all those terms and conditions another time on the website. But yeah, I'm gonna click cancel. Yep, because I already installed it. And that's basically it. Then you can launch up Oracle, VM, or VirtualBox, and then you can start setting things up. I'll be making a video on how to set up virtual machines on it, like Kali Linux, which I'll be doing in my next video, how to set it up. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.